Hi guys, welcome back. Got some stuff from Amazon. You know what? I've been buying stuff over the course of so many months. Just want to show you. Need these gloves for work. You get your hands dirty if you know what I mean. An Apple AirTag for the apprentice's car, aka you know who. Wink wink. I'm changing my cabin air filter in the future. Don't forget the Ansel OBD scanner. What do we have here? A caliper tool set, bottom for my back brakes. How about this one? I can use these for my front calipers. Comes with a hook. Must be my birthday. Oil filter pliers. One is bigger than the other one. Small one, big one. Plan on doing a lot of maintenance on my own. Okay, got some Duratec wrenches. By the way, they're all boxed in. Not snap-on, but not bad. Not bad at all. Might as well get a handheld vac while I'm at it. How about a Neiko drain pan? They want $100 to do an oil change. I refuse. I have 2-ton jack stands, but I might as well go heavy duty. High strength, removable thread lock. Mechanics, what do you think? Got a breaker bar. Some of those bolts can be real stubborn. Of course, I got some anti-seize. What's this from vevor? Like the case. Sockets on top of sockets. I won't throw the other company under the bus. About time. New knee pads. Every old man needs a pair of these. A full motion TV wall mount for my apprentice, aka you know who. Wink wink. A bucket tier for my buckets and garden tools. You know I change my own air filters. Nothing to it. I bought this chisel to knock out a bolt or two if they get stuck. See the word magnet? It can only mean one thing. Ah, yes, magnet trays. Guys, you're gonna lose screws and bolts when you're doing car repairs. Comes with a wand. Can't beat that. Genius. 3-piece wire brush set. Bought these to clean my calipers when I'm changing my brakes. What's in the yellow envelope? Swivel sockets. Again, guys, I'm trying to avoid those repair shops. Throttle body cleaner. Now we're cooking with gas. Last but not least, vevor again. A car repair seat. It's going to come in handy. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.